Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add the Google Map on the Store Locator page that you're looking at right now. This is a Lululemon brand that has more than 800 retail stores worldwide, and this location is one of their specific stores, which is inside the Diamond Center shopping mall in Anchorage, Alaska. You see that on the left side, they have an organized information panel with their store hours and Contact Us section. Then on the right, they have the interactive map itself. It looks clean and a good functional map where you can zoom and move around on the Google Map. So I want to copy this map section to your store right now. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to the Smind Sections app. Click on the map category to view all the available map templates. Then take a moment to browse through the different map layouts available on the screen. And I think we have a map section 1-4 that looks exactly like the reference map. Click on it to see the preview and click Install. After that, click Customize to be ready to import this section to your store. From your Shopify theme editor, look at the very top center of your screen to find the contact page where you can add the map section. In the left-hand sidebar, scroll down until you see the Add section option and click it. So type Map into the search bar and select the Map 1-4 section you just installed from the Smind. Now click on the heading block and change the text in the text box to Store Hours. Next, click the regular text block right below the heading in the left sidebar. On the right panel, delete the default address text and type in your actual operating hours. Next, we have to update the contact information, and we're going to duplicate the Store Hours heading block you just made and change the text on the right panel to Contact Us. Then we need to remove the default text and paste in your store's specific details such as your phone number, email address, and physical location. For the direction button, you can update the button link in the search bar below it so it points exactly where you want your customers to go. Now it's time to embed your map. Click on the main section and look at the right panel and scroll down to the Google Map iFrame source box, then delete all the default code in that box. Open a new tab in your web browser, go to Google Maps and search for your store's exact address. For example, I just copied the physical address to the Google Map and click the share icon on the left panel, switch to the Embed a Map tab and click Copy HTML. Head back to your Shopify theme editor and paste that copied HTML code straight into the empty Google Map iFrame source box. Your map will instantly update to show your store's location. Then you can adjust layout settings to make things look perfect by adjusting the content max width, for example, setting it to 470 pixels so the text box doesn't overwhelm the map. Finally, click the mobile device icon at the top right of your screen to double-check that your new map section is responsive and looks great on mobile devices. Switch back to the desktop view, click the Save button in the top right corner to publish your changes. All right, we're done, and thanks for watching the video and see you at the next one.